Hello everybody, this is John Moy here, and I'm here to demonstrate how to create a PhoneGap app from a web app. In this example I'm going to generate an iPhone app. So what I've done is I've downloaded the PhoneGap components from the website and I'm running the PhoneGap installer for iOS. Let's just run. So what I will do is I'll now launch Xcode and create a new project. And you can see here immediately PhoneGap shows up as a template, and I'll create a project called Monitor from that template, and there we go. It says base SDK missing because I need to align this project SDK with the SDK that I have locally on the machine. Just take a few moments. There we go. Okay, so PhoneGap provides in its wrapper a sample HTML file. I can actually type hello world in that file, and in the simulator here you can see it. That will now build the PhoneGap app in the simulator and execute it. Immediately you get there, hello world. Nice. Okay, let's shut that down. What we really want is the contents of the web app from my blog. So what I'll do is I'll take those contents and I'll overwrite the HTML here with those contents. Few changes. We don't need HTML5 application caching here because the HTML file will be wrapped up in the app. Also, we don't need web references to the jQuery resources. I'll remove those. What we really need is local references, and so that's what we have here. So I'll uncomment these components. You can see I have local references to jQuery files. I'll have to move them in later. Finally, I have a variable that I coded in for PhoneGap wrapper. I'll now make that true because that will activate certain other components in the logic. Now let's bring the jQuery files in, which I have here. Also, I'll bring an audio file in as well. And we'll select these files. Put that in, get that in, and we'll move these in. There we go. Finally, under resources, I'll look to replace the icon. Okay, let's just select that icon and add that in. Okay, so I now look at this web folder. I've got all the files that I need, so let's build and run this. There we go. So we now have our web app wrapped up in a nice PhoneGap wrapper. Let's just quickly test that out. You can see here, these options are now enabled. It's based on that PhoneGap wrapper variable that I introduced. I'll save those to local storage. You can't see the device integration on the simulator, but that's in my other video. Okay, so that's now connected to my local app server, and that's now polling every 5 seconds. So there's our app in under 5 minutes.